Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick review, I'm gonna be reviewing the BISSELL 2252 Cleanview Swivel Upright Bagless Vacuum. So whether you should purchase it or avoid it, this is what we will be finding out in this video. As you can see that currently I'm on Amazon.com, and if you also want to check out the same product, I will put the link of it down in the description for your convenience. Over here, as you can see that this product has 4.6 stars rating out of 5, which in my opinion one of the best. And here around 76% people gave it 5-star rating and 13% gave it 4-star rating. Only a few of them gave it 4-star, to 4%, 2%, and 4% gave it 3, 2, and 1 star ratings respectively. You can also notice that the ratings is around given by around 1 lakh people, so a lot of people have purchased this product. You can even click on the ratings section and you can click on see all photos, and you can view the real-time images that people have uploaded, and you can even read the reviews of the people, of the genuine buyers, and then you can make up your mind whether you want to purchase it or not. But as you can see for yourself that this product is liked by most of the people, so if you are willing to buy it, you can definitely go ahead. So that was it for this video. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.